If you are distributing industrial detergents to business owners, then you've already invested a lot of money in dosing equipment. This is a serious capital expenditure that relies on detergent sales increase to be just. Usually, to achieve that, you face problems such as, do your dosing pumps work as configured all the time? Do your clients use supplies for other distributors but you? Do you measure your ROI per client accurately? Is it possible to efficiently automate the processes of configuration and maintenance without the CapEx? We at CM2W have a solution for you. Our smart dosing controllers connects to your existing dosing devices, giving you absolute control over its operation. With it, you will be able to configure each device remotely with your smartphone, collect real-time data on each of the client's machines, including supply levels and operation programs, calculate each of your business point profitability and consumption. With our subscription business model, you don't have to invest in dosing equipment anymore. CM2W can seamlessly integrate with your existing infrastructure and offer you all-in-one solution for future expansion. Risk is mitigated and revenue is optimized with up to 50%.
Mai bine de un an de zile deja folosim sistemele CM2W, de care suntem foarte mulțumiți pentru că ne permit să fim mai flexibili. În felul acesta clienții sunt mult mai mulțumiți și am reușit să creștem și volumul afacerii noastre cu peste 20-25%.
Και να μεταδώσει στοιχεία μέσω ίντερνετ κατευθείαν στην οθόνη του ηλεκτρονικού σας υπολογιστή. Οποιοσδήποτε manager λοιπόν μπορεί να παρακολουθεί τα στοιχεία και τις καταναλώσεις, τα κόστη εν τέλει που παράγονται στις εγκαταστάσεις του.
Мы можем регулировать настройки, мы можем увеличивать порцию, уменьшать порцию, мы можем достигать отличного результата всегда в режиме реального времени из нашего офиса.
Ne permite o mai mare flexibilitate în instalare, putem să utilizăm mult mai bine resursele materiale și tehnice pe care le avem.
Это позволяет нам минимизировать все затраты, которые я перечислял раньше. Нам не нужно покрывать большие расстояния от нашего офиса к нашему клиенту. У нас нет необходимости бесконечно расширять штат сотрудников и обучать технологов. И мы имеем довольного клиента.
CM2W will help your business optimize its capital expenditure and increase profitability per client. Contact us at cm2w.net to move your distribution business to the next level.